Well, they're back on. Welcome back, factory lights. Welcome back. Nice misty morning after conducting a seminary class, getting prepped for the lunar eclipse here in a couple more days. My wife told me she saw the back side of the Jeep and that my oracles were not performing as they should. And indeed, this one looks like it's kind of on the brake light, kind of already on. Nice and bright without the marker portion on. So I'm gonna have to so something's going on with my oracle there. That's a shame. And then not too long ago I noticed that when I stick it in reverse, this particular reverse light on the driver's side would not always illuminate. Now when they're both illuminated, they're fantastic and awesome, but unfortunately the oracle's not performing as they should. Bummer. Man, what a bummer. And to think I was going to jettison these guys, my factory tail lamps. I was just going to toss those bad boys or give them away. Thank goodness I kept them in the garages. Well, time to replace the oracles. 10 months later. Yeah, it didn't pan out. I love the look, but they gotta work. $18,356 miles. Just a couple of weeks away from having this bad boy for a year. And she's averaging just so stalwartly in mixed driving at 14.7 miles to the gallon. I love this truck. All right, to recap, 14.7 overall, 18,356. I've been getting a little bit better when I'm on the highway. We're going to be heading out to Moab, do the Schaefer switchbacks, and maybe Potash Road, maybe White Rim in the Mojave. We're going to go ahead and take the truck up there and do it versus Samantha's Rubicon. And have some fun, just do a couple of days in Moab and make our way back to Dallas and see if I can improve my miles. Again, to recap, I've had my oracles for less than a year, but I bought them over a year ago, so they're out of warranty, and they failed on me, so that's very disappointing. I really, really loved the look of the oracle tail lamps. I really, really did. Beautiful light in my opinion, but they've got to work. I don't know if I'm going to spend another $389 and some change on another pair and roll the dice. I'm tempted, but I don't know. Once bitten, twice shy, right? Once bitten, twice shy. And the factories do fine. They just look a little, in the words of my adult son, they look a little derpy. I don't know exactly what that means, but that's what he said. They look a little derpy. But the oracles look really good. But they've got to work. Anyways, that's enough of that. I did get the bed steps also from Extreme Terrain, and those have been fantastic. Just they look great as well. I don't know why Jeep decided to take them off the Mojave and then in 2024 put them back on, but I'm glad that they did for those that are thinking about purchasing a Mojave edition 24 and later. But there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing on our little teeny channel. Thank y'all.